something called chewable tobacco, which is definitely even worse than cigarette smoking.
The quit rate is not more than 30%. That means 70% of the people who smoke will continue to smoke till they go to the grave. And they might stop smoking when they are having a heart attack or something. But we have seen people who are having heart attack, who are having cancer, still smoking. So you can imagine the power of that addiction.
स्मोकिंग करून जो टार एक्सप्लेन केलो टार नावाचो केमिकल तो सगळो लंग्साच्या भायल्या वाटेन साठवून रावता ताका लागून लंग कॅन्सर तयार जाता तांचे स्पर्म काउंट कमी जावपाक लागता जाका लागून ते किलोगोर जावन भुरगे जावपाक तांकां प्रॉब्लम्स येवपाक शकता.
This year the theme for Tobacco Control Day, World No Tobacco Day is tobacco and lung health. Don't let tobacco take your breath away.
Today, the Office of Mamledar Visual M, in collaboration with Goa Yuva Gomantak Dal, is conducting an awareness rally for the general public to reduce the consumption of tobacco. So 31st May is celebrated worldwide as World No Tobacco Day. We have seen that tobacco is causing lots of diseases like lung cancer, various types of respiratory diseases.
ह्या दिसा खातीर आमी युवा गोमंतक दल हांगासर एकठांय येयल्ली आसा आनी तेजे अवेरनेस करपाक येयल्ली आसा.
म्हणटा की कूल दिसतले हे सगळें तुमी पळोवन मेक अ रिसर्च की कितलेशेच बरे बरे कलाकार कितलेशेच बरे बरे व्यक्ती ह्या नशे खातीर बरबाद जाल्ले आसा.
हे मोहिमेचो भाग म्हूण कला अकादमीन शॉर्ट फिल्म सर्त दवरिल्ली. शुक्रारा जैतिवंतांक पुरस्कार भेटयले. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.